Welcome to my channel once again. Today we are using 8 eggs, a tablespoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of clove powder, a pinch of salt. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. It is free. You just have to click the subscribe button. And for the returning viewers and the subscribers, you're welcome. You know, when all this is done, it will look like cheese and it will look like cake at the same time. So it will make these children want to eat and eat it over and over again. Now remember, you can even add other things you want. If you want to add vegetables, if you want to add any other spices or flavors, it's okay. Grease a pan or a small container, and then you pour the mixture in. Now here you have to make sure that container you're going to use has a lid, because we need to cover it. Now here you get a pan and then put a container upside down. Then you put the mixture on top. So we are going to steam it. Add some water. You cover, then now we are going to start steaming. So you keep checking. Like after 10 minutes you check. It also depends on the heat you're using. It may cook faster or delay. It doesn't matter, just keep checking. When you see the mixture looking like it's already settled, you get a toothpick and check. If it's all hard, then you know it's ready, and then you can remove and then get ready for serving. Now this one is ready because it's already feeling hard. We can remove. Now it's time to serve. Now separate it from the container. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Looks like cheese, like cake, when it's even just egg. And healthy, which is very important. Children will be made to eat this because of the thought they have about it. So you try it at home. You tell me about it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's important to us. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Join us in the journey. Thank you.